how to fix verification code not coming on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to resolve WhatsApp verification issues on your Android device. First, make sure your phone number is entered correctly with the country code. Next, check that you have a stable internet connection via Wi-Fi or mobile data. Following that, wait a few minutes as SMS delivery can sometimes be delayed. Now, if you still haven't received the code, try requesting it via phone call. Moving forward, tap on Call Me option in the WhatsApp verification screen. Afterwards, you'll receive an automated call with your verification code. In addition to that, make sure your phone isn't blocking unknown numbers. Once you've checked that, open the Settings app on your Android device. Subsequently, tap on Apps and find WhatsApp in the list. Moreover, tap on Storage and then select Clear Cache. Afterwards, don't clear data as this will delete your chats. Then restart your Android device completely. Within this section, open WhatsApp again and request a new verification code. Alternatively, check if you've requested too many codes recently. Once the cooldown period passes, usually 10 to 15 minutes, try again. Then, if nothing works, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp from the Play Store. Afterwards, during setup, carefully enter your phone number again. Then, you should receive the verification code successfully this time. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix verification code not coming on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.